I'm not saying anything bad about Sales Navigator. I don't need, Microsoft still owns them. I don't need a sniper hitting me because I said something bad. It's a fine product. Here's the problem with Sales Navigator. Let me go through the instances. Okay, instance number 1, I'm using Sales Navigator. I'm going to send you a completely out of the blue, I'm going to blindside you, knock it off, with a freaking sales pitch, like unwarranted. Nobody wants to read that and they're not going to read it, okay? So the other thing that they do, the other side of that coin, is they'll just send you a quick connection request, and then as soon as you accept it, like how many of you have had this happen? You instantly regret. Stacy, have you ever had this happen? There's in your box, Joe Smith wants to connect with you, and you're like, dude, I'm feeling social today, no problem. And it's like 11 seconds later, Joe's like, great to connect with you. If I could have 5 minutes of your time, I'd love to show you how Beltman is totally screwed up with your on-site SEO and how we can, and you're like, God damn, why did I even accept this request? So don't do that. Don't just send an unwarranted sales pitch and then don't bait them with a social, like, let's be friends, and then send an unwanted sales pitch. Here's what I would do. I would just send them one message and one message only. And that message would be a hook from your ECCP, your Easton Cold Calling and Prospecting, and that hook would sound something like this. There is something that all the top radiologists are sharing with each other. I just want to make sure you're aware of it. Yeah. Perfect. Yeah, keep doing that. Yep. More. Keep doing that. And then I'm on my mobile. For me, my mobile, 720-660-3202 for you, whatever your mobile is. I would just keep doing that. Hey, it's Matt Easton, founder of Easton University Sales Coaching. If you like this video, I think I'm about to become your new best friend because I want to cover the cost for you to get the closing mini masterclass. The $299, I'm paying for it for you. It's free for you. Click the link somewhere around here or simply comment with the word closer. I'll cover the $299. You'll get the closing mini masterclass, make a lot more money, and I'll be your new best friend. I'll see you over in the closing masterclass.